523. And then after that, there's a huge gap here on the north side, which would signal the arrival of Air Force One here into Los Angeles. Wow, 6,100 people watching the feed right now all around the world. Those are amazing numbers here for the channel. Thanks you guys so much. And Air New Zealand, #2 worldwide track plane, tracked by almost 2,400 people there on Flight Radar 24, Flight 6, coming in from Auckland. It's a 787-9 Dreamliner. She's landing there on the south side at about 3 minutes. We got you covered.
Delta 367, wind 250 at 10, RNAV Del Rey, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff. RNAV Del Rey, clear for takeoff, 24 left, Delta 367.
Zooming on down to the intersection of Lincoln and Sepulveda. Looks like both Lincoln and Sepulveda are still open.
JetBlue 523, left at Alpha Alpha, hold short of runway 24 left. Left at Alpha Alpha, hold short of 24 left.
There's a few people in the park, not as many as I would imagine, but again, today is a work day, so plenty of people outside the In-N-Out Burger there along Lincoln Boulevard in Sepulveda. They will wait for the Air Force One to fly right over their head. One of the best seats in town as well.
JetBlue 523, cross runway 24 left, contact ground point 65. Good day. Better cross 24 left, ground point 65, JetBlue 523.
So by the way, if you guys are tuning in for the very first time here on Airline Videos Live, well, welcome, and come on back and visit us. We are live for 24 hours tomorrow, starting at 11 a.m. California time on Thursday and going all the way to 11 a.m. on Friday. That is full 24 hours of live stream plane spotting goodness here at LAX from high atop the H Hotel. So if you're new, come back and visit us, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you tomorrow. All right, up next, Air Force One. All right, very quiet here on the north side. Getting nervous. And Dell back with another $19.99 super chat. Wish I could have joined you, but busy weekday. That's all right. You've got a great seat right here on the channel. All the plane spotters are saying that you think he's going to land 24 left, huh? They're saying 24 left. Hey, why not? You got nothing else to worry about here on the north side. All right, who's excited? Oh, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. You guys nervous? This is exciting. Plenty of plane spotters up here. Their cameras are ready. Now she is over Whittier. She's still out there a little bit. Let's concentrate back on the south side real quick as Air New Zealand, the #1 worldwide tracked Dreamliner, now landing on the south side on 25 left.
Top 00, thank you.
got one eye focused here on the north side. As we turn the camera here to the south side is the Air New Zealand Dreamliner coming in from Auckland. Flight 6 now arrives on 25 left. Roman V said Air Force One just flew right over me. All right, you could hear a pin drop. Hey, you could hear a pin drop up here on the north side. It's so quiet. Of course, they are inspecting at 24 left and 24 right here on the north side. All right, there is a United States Air Force KC-135 making the loop around basically Southern California right now. It's the #1 worldwide track plane right now on Flight Radar 24, tracked by almost 4,500 people 4,500 people probably watching airline videos live. We'll bring it back here to the north side.
4.5, clears the ILS, runway 24 left. Air Force One Los Angeles, tower hello, wind 230 at Niner, gust 16, runway 24 left, clear to land. 24 left, clear to land, Air Force One.
All right, there we go. 24 left arrival, Air Force One cleared for arrival here on the north side. Almost 7,000 people watching around the world. Thanks you guys so much. Make sure to hit that like button if you're liking today's broadcast. Of course, if you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Everyone's getting truly excited up here on top of the H Hotel. There's about 6 plane spotters with their cameras all ready. And Eric Hall with the $9.99 super chat says, great day for plane spotting with the Airline Videos Live. If you ever caught Air Force One on the live before, we have not. This will be the first. And Michael Soares 17 with an amazing super chat. Heck yeah, Air Force One is coming. Wish I was down at LAX. Also, one of the Star Alliance livery Air Canada A330-300s is departing LAX tomorrow for tomorrow. Well, we'll be back here at the H Hotel tomorrow. Keep an eye out for her. All right, I'm sure you guys heard. Arrival on 24 left. That is the closest runway to our camera here. And Tommy with the $4.99 super chats. Your call out about Air Force One being over San Bernardino helped me spot it for the first time in my life. Thanks. Well, I'm glad we could help. Tommy, thank you so much. We've got that low clouds here today, so she is just going to pop up out of the clouds. As you can see, lots of plane spotters up here on top of the H Hotel. Everyone being really quiet as we await the arrival of Air Force One. And Dal back with another amazing $49.99 super chat here today. I'll be sure to join you tomorrow on top of the hotel, booking my room tonight. But in the meantime, welcome Air Force One to LAX. Well, we'll see you tomorrow. That's awesome for our start of our 24 hours here at the H Hotel. All right, we've got our eyes set out there to the east. We see nothing yet. Like I said, she will just pop out of these clouds. Michael Source 17 back with another super chat. Said, meant for Toronto, not tomorrow. All right, Toronto tomorrow. Sounds good. Thank you so much, Michael. All right, there she is. And there she is, Air Force One, now on short funnel for 2-4 left here in Los Angeles at LAX. She'll be making her way over to the far west side of LAX, northwest corner.
Air Force One, taxi to parking.
All right, well, don't go anywhere. As we saw, Marine One flew in about an hour, 2 hours ago with a bunch of Ospreys as well. Presidents will board Marine One. And we'll head toward downtown Los Angeles, so don't go anywhere. You want to certainly see that departure here from LAX. Quite a sight. Landing here on 2-4 left here on the north side. And Dave 911 with a $10 super chat says, amazing. And like a true broadcast professional, you didn't ruin the moment by talking over such a beautiful landing. Awesome job, Kevin. You can't talk over that moment, that's for sure. Dave, thank you so much for tuning in and supporting the channel here today. And of course, don't go anywhere.